Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox Club 120 wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you're trying to pair it with your iPhone, with your Android, with your PC, with your tablet, whatever Bluetooth audio source, either for the first time or you're trying to disconnect something that's already paired with it so that you can connect it to something new. Because basically once you've paired something with this, it will, when you turn it back on, it will automatically try to pair with that device again, and actually up to 8, it will remember 8 devices and in chronological order try to automatically pair with those devices. So first things first, if we're trying to pair it with a device with it turned on, we're just going to come in and hit the just tap the Bluetooth button and it will start to blink, and that means it's in a discovery mode and we can go ahead and pair it with something. We can go on our phone or whatever, go to our available Bluetooth devices and select this JBL Partybox Club 20. If it ever asks for a pin code for any of these things I'm going to talk about, just put the pin of 0000 and that will work. And once it has connected, this will become solid blue. Now, if you get in a situation where you are trying to pair something new to it and it's already connected and you need to get it disconnected, all you need to do is come in and press and hold the Bluetooth button for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it will automatically disconnect from whatever it was connected to and go back into discovery mode. Then you can go back on whatever device you want to pair it with now, select this box, and it should pair. Now, if you're still having issues with it not pairing after that, I recommend doing a factory reset on the speaker, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.